Are you looking for the best exercise bike under $300? In this video we will look at some of the best exercise bike under $300 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. RELIFE Exercise Bike. My top pick is a well-regarded upright bike that's going to help you push it to the max and really break a sweat. Best of all, it's only $269. This exercise bike is made of heavy-duty steel and thick foam to keep the stability and durability, and it boasts an impressive weight capacity of 440 pounds. The cycle bike has multiple places that can be adjusted like seat cushions, handlebars, and resistance, all ergonomically designed for optimum comfort. Plus an emergency braking system can stop the bike immediately. Thickened foam, stable structure, adjustable design, and comfortable angles all follow the ergonomic design concept, while this indoor cycling bike gives the experience of a realistic road-like feeling so you can feel the burn as you go. Track your performance and monitor your exercise progress index. For your body, workout provides data reference such as speed, time, distance, and calories burned, meaning you can see just how much progress you've made and improve your workout even more. My favorite thing about the RELIFE exercise bike though is that RELIFE stands behind our quality guarantee with our 1-year warranty on the frame and lifetime warranty on all other materials. They also encourage you to get in contact and promise to respond within 24 hours, which is great for those of us who are a little cautious when it comes to buying online. Number 2. Sunny Health and Fitness Indoor Cycling Bike. Next up is the Sunny Health and Fitness Exercise Bike. Sunny Health is renowned for producing great bikes, and this one is no exception. With this exercise bike, you can create a custom workout with ease with the micro-adjustable resistance, and when you're ready to call it quits, you can stop instantly with the quick stop lever. You can also track all of your important fitness stats such as time, distance, speed, calories, and scan with the easy-to-use multifunctional digital monitor so you can keep tabs on your workout and experiment a little and use the feedback to hone your routine into the best one possible. The whopping 40 pounds flywheel will help you generate momentum smoother and faster, resulting in you building strength quicker and toning the muscles in your legs. As an added bonus, most of the major components are already pre-assembled for you, so all you have to do is screw on the pedals, insert the seat and handlebars in the shaft, and you're basically good to go. Many reviewers have stated how this process only takes around 30 minutes, which means you don't have to faff around building bikes. Instead, just hop on and get pedaling right away. Number 3. Lanos Folding Exercise Bike. This exercise bike is a 2-in-1 upright and recumbent foldable stationary bike. It's the perfect workout bike and recommended for everyone. The upright exercise bike helps boost your heart rate and improve your cardio fitness, while the recumbent exercise bike is a more comfortable and natural reclined body position which helps counter muscle soreness in the upper body. Customize your home exercise bike routine with 10 levels of adjustable magnetic tension control. That's more than your average bike. Different intensity levels allow you to challenge yourself and change up your routine workout with a simple adjustment of the tension knob, while the precision-balanced flywheel provides a smooth and quiet ride. The unique and compact design of this exercise bike can be easily folded to half of the assembled size and easily moved using the included transportation wheels. On top of this, the digital monitor clearly displays distance in miles, speed, time, calories, and heart rate pulse, or you can track your pulse with the built-in pulse sensors in the handlebars. Lanos also provide a 100% satisfaction guarantee, and many reviews praise the customer service, so you don't have to worry about not hearing a reply. This is definitely a contender for the top spot and easily falls into the category for best exercise bikes under $300. Number 4. Exerpeutic Folding Magnetic Upright Exercise Bike. The Exerpeutic comes with a large seat cushion that accommodates people of all sizes, plus the weight capacity is 300 pounds, so this bike is all about accommodation and suiting as many needs as possible. An 8-level magnetic resistance system allows you to adjust the tension level for an easier or more difficult level depending on your skill and how hard you want to work while on your bike. The 3-piece, high-torque cranking system provides a smooth and consistent pedaling motion, while the hand pulse sensors help monitor your targeted heart rate zone so you can achieve an optimal workout routine and build strength in your muscles. While not the flashiest or high-tech exercise bike in the world, Exerpeutic has a lot to offer and is still a worthy choice despite being on the bottom of this list. But don't take my word for it. If you look at the 16,000 plus reviews and 4.5-star rating on Amazon, you'll quickly realize why this bike is on the list.